morning, everybody. This is Midnight Sky Wolf here, and we are going to be doing our Sunday shout out on my channel. I want to first get out a little bit of some information before I do this initial shout out. First of all, if you subscribe to me right after this shout out, you will get shout out next Sunday. So, you know, if you just subscribe and the video is up, or the video goes up and then you subscribe, then your name goes up that following Sunday. Two, I'm not very good at pronouncing names, so I'll pronounce your name as best ways I can see it on my computer. Just to let everybody know about that, okay? Just want to let you know. And if I did miss your name, I am truly 100% sorry. If I did miss you, leave your name in the comments in the video, and what I will do is I will do a pre-shout out for you if I missed your name. If I cannot pronounce your name, then subscribe, then leave a comment in the video on what you would like to, for me to shout you out, and I'll shout you out that way, okay? So the last time we left off, I want to thank LPS Cookie Tuber, thank you for subscribing. I want to thank Dan James Jackson, thank you for subscribing. Now this person's name, it looks like it's a email, so I'm just gonna say thank you. L Litzenpole Hotmail co.uk. LPS Meow, thank you for subscribing. Kevin Greenfield, thank you for subscribing. Scarlet Crawling, thank you for Cowardly, thank you for subscribing. I hope I pronounced your name right. Jen Castman, thank you for subscribing. Nick the Fox, thank you for subscribing. Clint, Kenny Annette, thank you for subscribing. Sorry if I did not pronounce your name right. Curler Griffin, thank you for subscribing. Andrea Gaming, thank you for subscribing. E. Tawson Williams, thank you for subscribing. Kenny Kennefield, thank you for subscribing. Your name has a C as your picture. I hope I pronounced your name right. Angela Net Ruin Person, your picture has one of the ladies from Frozen. Seth Fieldman, thank you for subscribing. Beanie Boo Wolf, thank you for subscribing. Leanin Walker, thank you for subscribing. Devon Tucker, thank you for subscribing. Bruce Spencer, thank you for subscribing. Jamio Jackson, thank you for subscribing. And Genus Roofson, thank you for subscribing. Dwayne Thomas, thank you for subscribing. And Kate and Flutter Cake. Sounds like Flutter Shy, but Flutter Cake. Thank you guys all for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate it. And also stay tuned for my Let's Play of Okami that's going to be coming up either today or tomorrow. Like I said, if I didn't pronounce your name right, I'm very sorry. And if I missed your name after you subscribe to our channel. And also, Midnight Wolf want you to thank you for subscribing to my channel too. You left a comment on my video from last Sunday. So, oh, by the way, guys, if you want to know what I'm wearing, this is the brown husky spirit hood. If you want a spirit hood, links in the comment below. Please check us out on Patreon. That's in the link in the description. And I just want to let everybody know that Nova will be coming back at the end of August to be staying with us for 9 days straight. And Wolf Mountain Sanctuary, my visit to Wolf Mountain Sanctuary is coming up. It is 17 more days away from that grand event. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and as always, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. And I hope you are having a awesome day, because we are. Alright, bye.